want to show you these WingTie zip ties. They're super cool. They're designed, patented to have this quick removable end to them. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending them to me so I could do a quick review and kind of check them out. But anyway, you put the zip tie together like that, and then when you're ready to take it off, you just twist it like that, and it'll break the zip tie and come off. And we're going to go test them out on our mountain bikes. Alright, today I want to show you these WingTie zip ties. They're kind of a new innovation, a new patented idea for a good old zip tie, and that is the zip tie itself has kind of a wing on it. And a perfect example, we would use these all the time, is on a mountain bike race plate. So we come through here and we'll take the plate and we'll zip tie it on, and we do this multiple times per event. We have to put a plate on for Saturday, we have to put a plate on for Sunday, the coaches have to put coaching plates on to go up with the athletes. So now the plate's on and we're ready to race. But then the coolest thing about this is when we are done, we can just, bam, grab the zip tie like that, twist it, off it comes. So these are super cool. Once again, I want to thank the manufacturer for sending me these so I could do a quick use and a demo, and you see how useful they would be. So mountain bike buddies, get some of these.